attorney is a document under which you authorize someone you trust to manage your affairs if you're unable to manage them yourself. If you have a revocable trust, then your power of attorney agent only manages those assets not in your trust, such as an IRA. The agent under your power of attorney should have authority to manage the assets in the IRA and also make the minimum distribution requirements. To handle an accident claim, if you're in an accident, the agent under the power of attorney would have the authority to deal with the insurance company. The agent under the power of attorney would have authority to manage your automobile, to sell the automobile if you're no longer able to drive, and to make applications for Medicaid, for assisted living, obtain information from financial companies, and to sign your tax returns. So selecting the right agent is very important. You want to make sure that agent is financially responsible, trustworthy, organized, stable, available, and willing to do the job. Power of attorney can be springing or current. What I mean is it can be effective upon the time, exactly at the time you sign it, or it can spring into existence upon your incapacity. That's why it's called springing. When you become incapacitated, it then becomes effective. You can do it either way. A power of attorney can be used to finish the job of funding your trust. If you become incapacitated and some assets were left out, your agent can put them into the trust to avoid probate. You should consider including some long-term care planning also in your power of attorney. We call these hot powers. One might be a power to transfer assets to qualify you for Medicaid. Another might be a power to establish trusts to avoid probate or to hold transferred assets. Another might be a power to change beneficiaries. If your spouse is on Medicaid, you would want he or she should not be a beneficiary of your trust. A power of attorney terminates at death. To continue management after you die, you would need to go into probate for individually owned assets, or plan to use probate avoidance devices such as a revocable living trust and jointly held accounts.